everybody, welcome to our Smart Investor channel. So today looking pretty interesting pre-market. Neo, Xpeng, Solo, Kandi, Lee, even Tesla, SBE or in red, massive red actually. Second consecutive day that most of these stocks are going red. So is this a time to sell or to buy the dips even more? So this is going to depend a lot, in my opinion, on where you're positioned. As far as I'm concerned, I'm a long-term investor for Tesla and Neo. I'm looking into Xpeng, so I'm definitely happy to see red days into the opportunity to purchase further. I think a lot of this is going to depend, right? Let's take a quick look here and I'll let you know what's my approach overall on the EV stocks, because I really think it's a sector that is going to keep going and keep going upwards. It's going to boom, especially in 2021. There's a lot of great things in their path. There's a lot of competition though, right? So let's take a look at Neo very quickly, right? So this is second consecutive day going down, more or less 13% total. So they're down to $48.75. Kandi overall 15% more or less, down to 12.78. Xpeng, I mean, they were at $70, almost $71, and they're down now to $62.47. Solo took a humongous chunk of downside, more or less 22% here, and finishing pre-market actually still at 7.72. Li Auto, you know what? They didn't get hit as much. I think their stock was a bit different from Neo and Xpeng, but definitely today, I mean, that's huge, right? 14% pre-market, and even Tesla minus 2%, followed by SBE minus 10%. So guys, what does this mean? It doesn't mean you need to sell out. It depends. I'm a long-term investor, like I said, at Neo and Tesla. I'm definitely not sharing those shares. At Neo, I might more or less, my average cost is at more or less $32. Tesla is about more or less $390. So definitely I'm a long-term investor. I'm not touching those things. What I'm going to do though as a long-term investor, and I'm also a short-term investor, but as a long-term investor in these two companies, I'm going to buy the dips. So that means Neo, if it falls below 45, that was going to be my first purchase point, small amount. If it goes below $38, I'm definitely going to come in with more massive amounts of money. Tesla, I don't foresee this sincerely going that much down. I think it's going to get overheated by mid-December, and then it's going to take quite a drop. But this is definitely something I'm going to be patient with Tesla and finding the dip here. It might take a bit more time. As far as the other companies are, so such as Kandi, I'm not a great fan of this company for the moment. I mean, they haven't proven themselves. Yes, they got into the American soil. They got, in the Texas certification to start selling those electric cars. But I mean, they haven't had those sales yet. As far as the product itself, I need to believe in it. I've seen the models. Go check it out. I mean, they're not the best looking as well. So, we'll have to wait on that as far as I'm concerned. Xpeng, great potential. I think this is way too over evaluated though, so I'll let it come down. So that's what happened today, right, guys? The markets are doing a correction, right? And also there's a shift towards the recovery stocks, such as the leisure, tourism, retail stocks are going to be interesting actually this week as well. So, a lot of these companies, even cannabis, right, it went up as well in the last 24 hours. So there's two major catalysts here. Definitely, overheat. So I was expecting a down trend for the EV stocks, but it doesn't mean it's not gonna go back up, right? I think we need to leave it some time. So again, if I were a short-term investor, which I will be for some of these, definitely find a selling price, such as Xpeng. I mean, don't hesitate, guys. I mean, to take profits when you're on the green side and green days, especially if you know it's already been overevaluated, it's overheated. I mean, it's just been crazy in the AV sector. So do not hesitate. You're there to make money, to make profits, guys. So make it lucrative, sell it on the high, and rebuy it on the low points as a short investor. As a long-term investor, as I said, I'm going to be buying the low points here. So I'm just going to be patient today and throughout tomorrow. Don't forget, guys, it's a half day tomorrow, right? Thanksgiving. So I'll be buying all those low points. So that's as far as what I'm gonna do. I just wanted to give you my playbook for the EV sector. I think it's highly interesting. A lot of volatility is gonna be going on as well. So listen, that's it. Give me your comments. What do you think? What you're gonna do about the EV sector? Are you selling? Are you buying? Are you being patient? Or keeping cash on the side, right? So let me know your comments. If you like the content of this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to help and support this channel. And listen, I'll see you next time. Peace out.